Rajasthan's Alwar area was named after Mahatma Gandhi's assassin Nathuram Godse. The incident has now turned into a big issue between Congress and the BJP.
They were left red-faced after loose cannon MP Sakshi Maharaj called Nathuram Godse a patriot. And now the BJP government is mired in yet another controversy. This flyover in Alwar, named after Mahatma Gandhi's assassin Nathuram Godse.
I am right now in Alwar, Rajasthan, and this is the newly built flyover that connects Bhagat Singh Chowk to Agrasen Chowk in the heart of Alwar city that had been temporarily renamed as the Nathuram Godse flyover. This is a particular spot where a temporary poster had been put which had named this particular flyover as the Nathuram Godse flyover. This particular poster had been put in place at 8 p.m. on Tuesday. Soon after there was a furor. The media took cognizance of this particular fact, and after which the district authorities were very quick to get this poster removed, and late on Tuesday night this poster was in fact removed by the district authorities.
कोई अज्ञात व्यक्ति ये पोस्टर्स लगा के चला गया और जब हमें जानकारी मिली तो हमने इनको तुरंत हटवा करके और इनको हमने पुलिस थाने में डिपॉजिट करवा दिया और अज्ञात व्यक्तियों के खिलाफ हमने रिपोर्ट भी दर्ज करवा दी.
Congress lapping up opportunity to target its political rivals, questioning the Raji government.
Whenever BJP comes into power, they come with a mask of liberalism, and after assuming power, the true colors of fascist forces within BJP, they start show their color.
BJP not taking this criticism lying down, rebutting Congress's charge.
किसी पे आरोप लगाना ये सबसे सस्ता काम है, सबसे आसान काम है. मैं मांग करता हूं इस बात की कि जिन लोगों ने भी इस तरह की हरकत की है उनकी जांच की जाए, उनके खिलाफ निश्चित तौर पे जो कानूनी धाराओं में जो मुकदमा बनता है वो लगाया जाए और जांच करके ऐसी आगे हरकतों को रोकने के लिए जो भी आवश्यक कदम हो वो उठाए जाने चाहिए.
But the Chief Minister choosing to maintain silence.
People are putting Nathuram Godse's plaque on flyover.
And it's not just the opposition, even activists are raising an alarm.
This is just not acceptable. We will just not allow anybody to glorify the killers of Gandhi. We demand immediate arrest of these two men as well as get to the bottom of this, what's happening.
For now, the state BJP continues to defend its decision, but despite them backtracking, the opposition is unwilling to give in. With Vijay Kao, Minal, for Times Now.